There are monsters in the universe, giants so powerful that even light itself cannot escape their grasp. But what if, one day, Earth was pulled into one? What happens when our home, our entire civilization, falls into a black hole? At first we wouldn't even notice. Black holes don't come crashing like asteroids, they pull, silently, invisibly. But soon, the signs would be undeniable. Tides would grow erratic, the moon's orbit would distort. And then, something even stranger. Gravity itself is shifting. As we drift closer to the event horizon, space itself warps around us. Time slows. For us, days feel normal. But to the rest of the universe, Earth is moving in slow motion. From their perspective, we're already gone. Then comes the most terrifying fate of all: spaghettification. The closer we get to the singularity, the more violent space becomes. The side of Earth nearest the black hole feels billions of times more gravity than the other side. The planet tears apart. What was once our home is now a thin stream of atoms, spiraling forever into the abyss. But what lies beyond? Black holes are regions of space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from them. They are formed when massive stars collapse under their own gravity at the end of their life cycles. The boundary around a black hole beyond which nothing can escape is called the event horizon. Once something crosses this boundary, it is inevitably pulled into the black hole and cannot escape. If Earth were to fall into a black hole, the journey would be both fascinating and terrifying. As we approach the black hole, the first noticeable effect would be the distortion of space and time. This phenomenon, predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity, means that space itself would be stretched and warped around the black hole. Time would also slow down dramatically as we get closer to the event horizon. Imagine looking up at the sky and seeing the stars and galaxies around us being stretched and distorted. The light from these celestial objects would be bent and twisted by the immense gravitational pull of the black hole, creating a surreal and eerie visual effect. This is known as gravitational lensing, and it would make the sky look like a swirling, distorted vortex. As we get closer to the event horizon, the gravitational forces would become increasingly intense. The side of Earth facing the black hole would experience a much stronger gravitational pull than the side facing away. This difference in gravitational force, known as a tidal force, would stretch and compress the planet. Eventually, these tidal forces would become so extreme that they would begin to tear the planet apart in a process known as spaghettification. During spaghettification, the intense gravitational forces would stretch Earth into a long, thin shape, like a piece of spaghetti. The planet would be pulled apart into smaller and smaller pieces until it is reduced to a stream of individual atoms. These atoms would then spiral into the black hole, disappearing from the observable universe forever. But what happens to the matter that falls into a black hole? According to current scientific understanding, the matter is crushed to an infinitely small point at the center of the black hole, known as the singularity. At the singularity, the laws of physics as we know them break down, and our current theories cannot describe what happens. Some scientists speculate that the matter could be transported to another part of the universe or even to another universe entirely, but this remains purely theoretical. The idea of Earth falling into a black hole is a fascinating thought experiment that highlights the extreme and mind-bending nature of these cosmic objects. While it is highly unlikely that our planet will ever encounter a black hole, studying them helps us understand the fundamental laws of the universe and the limits of our current scientific knowledge. In the end, black holes remain one of the most mysterious and intriguing phenomena in the cosmos. They challenge our understanding of space, time, and gravity, and they continue to be a subject of intense study and fascination for scientists and the public alike. As we continue to explore the universe, we may one day unlock the secrets of these enigmatic objects and gain a deeper understanding of the nature of reality itself. So, while the idea of Earth falling into a black hole may be the stuff of science fiction, it also serves as a reminder of the vast and awe-inspiring universe we inhabit. It encourages us to keep asking questions, to keep exploring, and to never stop seeking answers to the mysteries of the cosmos.